These types of micro-animal POV videos are blowing up on YouTube right now. Some of them are getting millions of views because they look like a tiny camera is attached to the animal itself. And the best part? You can create these types of viral videos using AI completely for free. So today, I'm going to show you step by step how to create these micro-animal POV videos using AI. Let's start. First, open the document link provided in the description. Here you will find a master prompt. Simply copy the entire prompt. Now open ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. Once you paste it, ChatGPT will generate 15 different animal ideas for these POV videos. For example, I will choose fire ant, so I'll simply type 2. Now ChatGPT will generate 1 image prompt and 5 video prompts for our video. First, copy the image prompt. Then go to Grok AI. Paste the prompt here, choose Create Image, select your aspect ratio, and click Generate. Within seconds, Grok will generate multiple images. Choose the one you like the most and save it. Now copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT. Go back to Grok AI, select Make Video, paste the video prompt, and generate. And within seconds, our first POV video clip is ready. Take a look at this. Now save the video. For the next clip, simply copy the last frame of the previous video. Go back to the Imagine tab, paste that frame, then copy the second video prompt from ChatGPT. Generate the video again. By repeating the same process, using the last frame of the previous clip, you can generate all the video scenes easily. Once all the clips are ready, open your editing software. Import all the clips, arrange them in order, and slightly zoom in the clips to remove the logo. And just like that, your viral micro-animal POV video is ready. That's how you can create these viral micro-camera animal videos using AI. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Riavron for more AI tutorials. And comment below which AI niche you want me to cover next.